Today I'm making something in the crock pot called good gravy chicken, and for that you are going to need probably like a pound and a half of your choice of chicken thighs or drumsticks. I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I have 5, which is about a little over a pound. You're also going to need a packet of brown gravy mix, a can of cream of mushroom, but I don't really like cream of mushroom, so I'm doing cream of chicken. And then you need a packet of ranch, or 3 tablespoons from the canister. And then you're going to need some pepper jack cheese, but I don't have that, so I'm using the Gouda cheese. Chicken laid at the bottom, and what I'm going to do now is put over my brown gravy mix, and I also added the ranch seasoning with it, cream of chicken soup. I have this onion, this finely diced onion, I'm going to lay over top. I'm going to lay over the Gouda cheese. And I'm going to let this cook on low for 4 to 5 hours, or you could do high for 3 to 4, and I'll see you when it's done. So it has been only 3 hours since I put this in. And it's done, and these thighs were actually semi-frozen. I think what it is I got a new crock pot, and it's very strong. So yeah, you see all these, I kind of mixed it, a little bit before, that's why you see that it's like the cheese is all mixed in, but the cheese will just solidify, like right into all of the drippings. So then you just kind of give it like a little stir, get all the juices mixed with that gravy mix and the cheese, and then that ranch seasoning as well. It smells amazing. Oh, it's stuck. So yeah, this is what it'll look like. You can do chicken gravy if you aren't a fan of the brown gravy, but I think it gives it a better taste with the brown gravy for some reason. But this is what it will look like. I've never done it with Gouda cheese before, but I'm sure it'll be good. And then I'm just going to serve this up with probably some like green beans or peas or something, and some rice. So I will be back. Here is my husband's plate, plated up. The chicken, and then the I made mashed potatoes instead of rice. I changed my mind. And then I just drizzled a little bit of the gravy on top. We got some peas and carrots. The sauce is super flavorful and delicious. I really recommend this meal. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe. I'm really trying to build my channel up. I want to make a career of this. So all of your support is greatly appreciated. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.